Everybody needs a pair of sneakers that can catch people's eyes. A pair that when you throw it on and walk around the street, it shouts, "Look at me, I know what I'm doing in my footwear game." Today I'm telling you that this pair of Common Projects can get that job done. An unboxing video of my Common Projects Achilles Mid Vintage. Let's go. Welcome back, fellas. This is David Cheng. Welcome to my first video in the new decade of 2020. I love shoes. I have a huge collection of sneakers, boots, loafers, you name it. Now for the past 3 years, I've been wanting to add a pair of Common Project sneakers into my collection. This brand gets a lot of love from celebrities and the internet also. While most people talk about their original Achilles low, not so many people have done a video on the Achilles mid, the high top version. So today I'm doing a little unboxing of my Achilles mid, telling you what I think about them, and of course some on-feet footage for you to know how they will look like if you purchase and wear them. So first of all, this is a box I got from Common Projects. Common Projects do not sell directly to customers, so you need to buy them from some retail partners of the brand. I got my pair from Mr. Porter, so you can see the Mr. P here written on the ribbon. It actually looks very nice. Perfect if you're gifting it to someone else. Okay, so once you open the box, you get this dust bag here in some kind of mesh materials. It's actually very nice. I use this all the time, every time when I travel, because you just can put your shoes inside and it will keep your shoes clean and away from dust. It's very handy and practical. And then here comes the real stuff. Here is the luxury high-end sneakers that retail for £284. That's the price I got from Mr. Porter, and it's like 2,860 Hong Kong dollars or 368 USD. I didn't want to pay full price for this, so I got it from Mr. Porter during the sale for 50% off. Let's check this baby out. Ooh, well actually the look of it is pretty good. It's like what I imagined. So first thing I will do to a new pair of shoes, I will get some smell of it. From the smell, you know it's actually very good leather. When I paid that much for a pair of shoes, the most important thing to me will be the craftsmanship and the materials used, because that's what set them apart from the other shoemakers like Nike or Adidas. This pair were actually all Common Projects are made in a footwear factory in the eastern side of Italy, in a region called Marca. The leather upper is made of Italian Nappa leather, which is super soft. It's famous for its softness and it's always used in furniture, like it's for sofa or your car seats. So definitely this is softer than your standard leather. It comes with a rubber sole which is first glued to the upper and then hand stitched in Italy. You can see the stitching on the side here. Inside you can see Common Projects made in Italy. Now for those who don't know, a line of gold series number are stamped near the heel of the shoes of every Common Project shoes. And they can actually be divided into 3 sets of numbers. So you have the style, the size, and the color here. Now I opt for a 44. I'm normally a 45.5. That's like 11.5 in US for, you know, for my normal Nike or Adidas sneakers. These Common Projects runs a little big, so don't forget to size down when you purchase them. And if you can, try them on in store first before you buy them. And here comes the right foot version. Okay. Let's get you some B-roll on some on-feet videos. What do you think? I personally love it. I think the look of it is just beautiful. It's a very clean silhouette. The leather upper is just quality. Seriously, can't stop doing that. Overall, I think it's a good pick. I also didn't regret on picking this colorway because the off-white sole just brings you super vintage look, and it also sets you apart from all the common projects Achilles low in whites that everyone else wears. So overall, I think this is a very good pick. If you find this informative, don't forget to give me some comments down below and also subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me. Thank you for watching. See you next time.